Welcome to PCS Current News Program. The topic of discussion is Project Pari. The Ministry of Culture, Government of India, on the occasion of the 46th session of the World Heritage Committee meeting, which is being held in New Delhi from 21st to 31st July 2024, has initiated Project Pari, that is Public Art of India. Under it, Lalit Kala Akademi, an autonomous institution under the Ministry of Culture, has invited more than 150 visual artists from all over the country. Project Pari aims to provide a platform to uplift Delhi's aesthetic and cultural outlook while adding grandeur to the rich historical legacy of our national capital. Lalit Kala Akademi and the National Gallery of Modern Art seek to bring forth public art that draws inspiration from millennia of artistic heritage, that is Lok Kala, Lok Sanskriti, while incorporating modern themes and techniques. These expressions underscore the intrinsic value that art holds in Indian society, serving as a testament to the nation's enduring commitment to creativity and artistic expression. These artists are working on various sites in the national capital for the beautification of the public spaces for the upcoming event. Significance of Project Pari. The representation of art in public spaces is particularly significant as it showcases the nation's rich and diverse cultural heritage. The democratization of art through public installations transforms urban landscapes into accessible galleries where art transcends the confines of traditional venues such as museums and galleries. Project Pari aims to stimulate dialogue, reflection, and inspiration, contributing to the dynamic cultural fabric of the nation. Visual art forms showcased are traditional art forms as well as sculptures, murals, and installations have been created under this beautification project. The creative canvas includes Thangka painting, Sikkim, Ladakh, miniature painting, Himachal Pradesh, Gond art, Madhya Pradesh, Tanjore paintings, Tamil Nadu, Kalamkari, Andhra Pradesh, Cheriyal painting, Telangana, Pichwai painting, Rajasthan, Patchitra, West Bengal, Banithani painting, Rajasthan, Varli, Maharashtra, Pithoda art, Gujarat, Kerala murals, Kerala, Alpana art, Tripura, and more. Now is the time for practice question. Project Pari, sometimes mentioned in the news, is related to which of the following ministries? Ministry of Education, Ministry of Jal Shakti, Ministry of Defense, or Ministry of Culture? Send the answer of this question in the comment section. Stay tuned for more such updates.
डियर व्यूअर्स, अपने एग्जाम की तैयारी को और बेहतर करने के लिए हमारे चैनल को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करना न भूलें।